Today I'm going to show you all how to make homemade fire starters with herbs. This is a recipe from Mountain Rose Herbs. This will be super fun. I hope you love it. There is a link in my link tree in my profile for this recipe. In that same link, you can also get all the herbs that you need for this. You would use these fire starters, obviously, when you're starting a fire to get it going. The beeswax is going to help with that, but also it's going to have aromatic herbs in it that are going to give off like an amazing scent throughout your space. And you could use these if you don't have an inside fireplace or wood stove. You could use these in a campfire as well. I'm melting somewhere between 2 to 3 cups of beeswax in a double boiler, and while I'm doing that, I'm getting my other materials ready. You can use whatever aromatic herbs you want to. I'm going to be using cinnamon sticks, lavender buds, star anise, dried orange peel, bay leaves, and a mixture of copal and frankincense resins. Then you're supposed to use a cupcake tin and those paper cupcake liners to put the stuff into, but I don't have that. I'm just going to use some of my soap molds and then get them cold to pop them out when they're done. Soap molds, and then we also need some string and some parchment paper so that you can make your wick. It says to put your less visually interesting materials in there first before you add the beeswax. So I have my resins and the lavender buds, and now the orange peel, and everything is ready and just waiting for that beeswax now. Cut your string to about 4-inch pieces and have your parchment paper ready because you're going to be dipping these into the beeswax when it melts. So now I'm getting my wicks and my other materials in position because once you start pouring the beeswax, you want to go pretty quickly because it hardens. Here we go. She says do 3 at a time and then add your toppings. Okay, so I'm moving quickly now. Mine probably aren't going to look as pretty as the picture, but they're going to smell fantastic. And I'm finding that you can actually put your bay leaf and your cinnamon stick ahead of time as well. You might just want to leave your star anise for after you pour your beeswax. I feel like these would be really fun stocking stuffers and also really fun to make with kids. As they're hardening, I'm trimming the wick so that there's 2 ends now. I think these are turning out so pretty. These are the ones I just poured. Easiest way to clean up the beeswax is to melt it and wipe it with paper towel. If you like this, make sure you add yourself to my mailing list, give me a like and a share, and follow for more.